Right, this one's mainly for the lads and lasses out there who refurbish washing machines, repair them, sell them on a second-hand units. Not really a DIY thing unless you can take a door seal off and put it back on again, but if you can, great. If not, probably best to leave it to professionals. Right, we're going to try and get all these black mildew spots off. This is off a Bosch stroke Siemens washing machine. It's pretty minging, as you can see, so I'm just going to stick it in a solution of bleach, full bottle of bleach in there, just as cheap fetting MP stuff. We'll leave it in there for a few days and we'll see what it comes out like.